Few things are more distracting than an itchy scalp that just won't quit. It's a sensation that creeps up on you at the worst possible moments, during an important meeting, a first date, or even when you're trying to relax at home. The urge to scratch can be overwhelming, but you try to hide it, hoping no one notices your discomfort. The relentless itch can feel like a constant companion, making it nearly impossible to focus on anything else. Every little tingle or tickle becomes a distraction, pulling your attention away from what really matters. You know the feeling, trying to concentrate on a conversation, but your mind is consumed by that maddening itch. You shift in your seat, subtly reaching for your scalp, hoping for a moment of relief. But the more you scratch, the worse it seems to get. It's a silent battle that chips away at your confidence, making you worry about flakes on your shoulders, visible redness, or even the fear that others might notice. You start to avoid wearing dark clothes, and you check your reflection more often, searching for signs of irritation or embarrassment. Many people feel defeated, having tried countless shampoos and treatments, some filled with harsh chemicals that promise relief but only seem to make things worse. The labels are confusing, and the promises rarely deliver lasting comfort. The cycle of temporary relief, followed by an aggressive return of symptoms, is exhausting. You might find a product that helps for a few days, only to have the itch and irritation come back stronger than before. It's a frustrating loop that leaves you feeling helpless and worn out. But you're not alone. Millions of people from all walks of life struggle with this every single day. It's a common problem, yet it often goes unspoken, leaving many to suffer in silence. The good news? Relief is possible, and you don't have to rely on harsh chemicals or complicated routines. Nature offers gentle, effective solutions that can soothe your scalp and restore your confidence. We'll explore simple, natural remedies and easy lifestyle tweaks that work with your body, not against it. From nourishing hair masks to mindful habits, there are ways to break the cycle and finally find comfort. Imagine running your hands through your hair without worry, wearing your favorite black shirt with confidence, and feeling at ease in your own skin again. It's not just a dream, it's within reach. That reality is closer than you think. Let's take the first step toward a healthier, happier scalp together. When your scalp is screaming for relief, you need something fast. My go-to: a simple aloe vera and peppermint oil soother. Aloe hydrates and calms, while peppermint's menthol cools and numbs the itch. Mix 2 tablespoons pure aloe gel with 2 drops peppermint oil. Apply directly to itchy areas, massage gently, and feel the instant tingle. Leave on for 20-30 minutes or overnight under a shower cap, then rinse. This 2-ingredient remedy stops itch in its tracks. Get back to your day, itch-free. To solve an itchy scalp, you need to know what's causing it. Dandruff flakes are oily, white or yellow, and cling to hair, caused by a yeast called malassezia. Dry scalp flakes are smaller, powdery, and fall like snow, often from overwashing or dry weather. Eczema and psoriasis cause inflamed, scaly patches and may need a dermatologist's care. Lice cause intense itching and nits on hair shafts, not flakes. Each cause needs a different approach. Look for signs: oily versus dry flakes, redness, or nits. Identifying the cause is the first step to relief. Don't guess. Observe and adapt your treatment. The right solution starts with the right diagnosis. An itchy, flaky scalp isn't about poor hygiene. Scalp issues are common and often triggered by stress, weather changes, or harsh products. Stress increases cortisol, disrupting oil production and inflammation. Cold, dry air or indoor heating dries out your scalp. Humidity can worsen dandruff. Hard water and harsh shampoos strip natural oils, making things worse. Many products contain sulfates and fragrances that irritate sensitive skin. Knowing your triggers empowers you to break the cycle. Did you know that some of the most effective scalp remedies are already sitting in your kitchen cupboards? You don't need to look far or spend a fortune. Nature's best solutions are right at your fingertips, waiting to nourish your scalp and transform your hair care routine. Take coconut oil, for example. This rich, natural oil deeply moisturizes your scalp, helping to soothe dryness and irritation. It's also known for fighting dandruff-causing yeast, making it a powerful ally for scalp health. Simply warm a small amount, massage it gently into your scalp, and let it sit for about 30 minutes before washing it out. You'll notice your scalp feels softer and more comfortable. Essential oils like tea tree and peppermint are also scalp saviors. When diluted in a carrier oil, they can help soothe itchiness, reduce inflammation, and fight off microbes that cause scalp issues. Always remember to dilute them. Never apply essential oils directly to your skin, as they can be too strong and cause irritation. Apple cider vinegar is another kitchen staple that works wonders. A simple rinse, mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar with 4 parts water, can help restore your scalp's natural pH balance and remove product buildup. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your scalp, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Your scalp will feel refreshed and your hair will have a natural shine. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast, it's a gentle, soothing ingredient for irritated scalps. Blend oats into a fine powder, mix with warm water to form a paste, and apply as a mask for about 20 minutes. This helps calm inflammation and relieves itchiness, leaving your scalp feeling cool and comfortable. These natural remedies are gentle, effective, and incredibly affordable. They're free from harsh chemicals and safe for most hair types, making them a great choice for anyone looking to improve scalp health. There's really no need to spend big on luxury hair products when your kitchen already holds everything you need for a healthy scalp. Embrace the power of homemade remedies. Using what you have at home not only saves money, but also gives you control over what goes on your scalp. You can customize treatments to suit your needs and avoid unnecessary additives. Remember, consistency is key. For best results, repeat these treatments weekly. Over time, you'll notice a healthier, more balanced scalp and stronger, shinier hair. Your scalp will thank you for the extra care. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Relief and healthy hair really can start right in your own kitchen. Healthy scalp care is about a gentle, consistent routine. Choose sulfate-free, pH-balanced shampoos to avoid stripping natural oils. Use a clarifying step weekly, like an apple cider vinegar rinse, to remove buildup. Condition the lengths and ends, and lightly massage any leftover conditioner into your scalp if it's dry. Try a dedicated scalp serum for extra hydration. Daily scalp massage boosts circulation and loosens dead skin. Keep your routine simple. Gentle shampoo, conditioner, and a weekly treatment. Consider eco-friendly options like shampoo bars. Consistency breaks the itch flake cycle. A mindful routine transforms your scalp and your confidence. Scalp health starts from within. Diets high in sugar and processed foods fuel inflammation. Opt for whole foods, healthy fats, and plenty of water. Omega-3s from fish, seeds, or supplements reduce inflammation and support skin health. Probiotics and prebiotics from yogurt, kimchi, garlic, oats balance your gut, which impacts your skin. Hydration is essential. Aim for around 2 liters of water daily. Manage stress with meditation, yoga, or time in nature. Prioritize sleep. 7 to 9 hours nightly helps your body repair and rebalance. Small changes in diet and lifestyle can make a big difference. A healthy scalp is a reflection of a healthy you. Nourish from the inside out. Your scalp is vulnerable to sunburn and chlorine damage. Wear a wide-brimmed hat or use scalp sunscreen, SPF 30+, on exposed areas. Chlorine strips natural oils, causing dryness and irritation. Before swimming, wet your hair and apply conditioner to reduce chlorine absorption. Wear a swim cap for extra protection. Rinse hair and scalp thoroughly after swimming, then use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Protecting your scalp is essential for comfort and long-term health. When it comes to soothing an irritated scalp and restoring balance, my absolute favorite remedy is what I call the Golden Trio Mask. It's a simple natural blend that starts with plain yogurt, an ingredient you probably already have in your fridge. Yogurt is packed with probiotics and lactic acid, making it a gentle exfoliator that helps remove dead skin cells while nourishing the scalp's delicate microbiome. Next, I add raw honey, which is a true powerhouse for scalp care. Not only does honey deeply hydrate and lock in moisture, but its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties help keep your scalp clean and calm. And then, there's turmeric, a golden spice known for its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. When you combine these three, you get a mask that gently exfoliates, restores balance, and soothes irritation all at once. Yogurt works to slough away buildup and support a healthy scalp environment, while honey and turmeric team up to calm redness and protect against future flare-ups. Honey's humectant qualities draw moisture into the scalp, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed, while its healing properties help prevent dryness and flakiness. Turmeric, meanwhile, reduces inflammation and provides a protective antioxidant shield. To make the mask, simply mix together 1–2 cups of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1–2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Stir until you have a smooth golden paste. Apply the mixture generously to your scalp, making sure to cover any areas that feel dry or irritated. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. If you have very light or color-treated hair, be cautious. Turmeric can sometimes leave a yellow tint. Always do a patch test first to make sure your hair won't stain. With regular use, this mask delivers instant relief from itching and discomfort, while also promoting long-term scalp health and balance. You'll notice your scalp feels calmer, less irritated, and your hair looks healthier overall. Imagine waking up each morning with a calm, itch-free scalp and the confidence that comes from flake-free, vibrant hair. It's a small act of self-care that can make a big difference in how you feel every day. These gentle, natural remedies put you back in control of your scalp health, without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Treat your scalp with kindness and patience. It truly deserves your care and attention. Your journey to a healthy, happy scalp starts now. Embrace the process, trust the power of nature, and remember, you've got this. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, happier scalp, using natural and homemade remedies. If you love discovering beauty tips that are gentle, effective, and easy to try at home, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more clean girl guides and DIY beauty secrets. Your next favorite remedy could be just one video away.